Díagwit agus fáilte róta Rashkin Kennel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've just come in on the Copper Trail, set up my tent in the campsite, smashed my lunch. My plan for this afternoon was to take on some tracks and trails that I'd spot on maps surrounding Allihies. I started by going up to the mines to take in the Coombe mine and actually the mine I passed on the Copper Trail, and also the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. Stay tuned in this video because some of the tracks and trails and scenery you'll see is simply breathtaking.
Yeah, you can go up the Coombe. Yeah. There's another 2 gates. So just kind of. Yeah, no. Yeah, I went on. Thank you very much.
Right guys, so my GoPro died. I was going up a place what's called Gower Viewpoint, and it just died on the way up, so I'm just on my phone. But I actually thought I'd just go up to the viewpoint and have to turn back, and basically there was basically a track to keep going straight, and yeah, and it's just brought me basically right over, back over the mountain, and like viewing down on Allihies again and where I'm meant to be camping tonight. So happy days. So yeah, an unexpected track. I'm delighted, and yeah, looking forward to getting back now. I think I might go for a dip and a bit of a sauna, and then some pints and some grub and chill out for the evening. That's the plan. Definitely decided to do that today because of the luggage thing, which I think was the right call. So yeah, happy out so far. Have a look.